Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. Remove the rubber injector cover. This should easily lift off. We can now access the rail pressure sensor and the boost sensor. Remove the rail connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on the releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the rubber injector cover. This may need tucking back into place. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.